Good afternoon, Ma'am Annalyn. Today, I'll be presenting the database schema for payroll monitoring system. This system is designed to manage employee details, track their work hours, and calculate the payroll efficiently. I walk you through the structure and the database, explain each table works, and demonstrate how they connect to achieve the accurate payroll monitoring. Let's get started, ma'am. Employee table. Sa employee table po, makikita po natin dito yung pangalan, email, role, salary, and ano ba to? Created. Sa isa naman po is makikita po natin yung work hours po nila. Yung ID, yung primary key, yung employee ID, yung work date, and hours work created at timestamp po. Tapos meron po tayong table ng payroll period. Nakalagay po dito yung ID, start date, end date, pati yung created at timestamp. And sa payroll naman po, table of payroll, ID integer, employee integer, payroll period, gross pay decimal, deduction decimal, net pay decimal, payment date, and created at timestamp. Tapos po, yung relationship po ng mga table, to ensure the table works seamlessly, we've set up the following relationship. The employees table link work to hour and payroll by the employee ID. The payroll table is also linked to the payroll period by the payroll period. This relationship allow us to pull together all information we need to calculate payroll efficiently. Example, let's look at the example po na a new employee, John Doe, is added to the employees table with the salary rate of $20 per hour. Each day he works, his hours are logged in the work hours table, including the date and the work hour. At the end of 2-week payroll period, the system calculates his total hour work from the work hours table using his salary rate from the employees table. The gross pay is calculated after deducting taxes, the net pay, and is recorded the payroll table tied to the payroll period. Finally, the payment record is created showing the amount paid and payment date. Conclusions. This payroll monitoring system ensures that all employees' record, work hour, and payments are tracked in the organized and accurate way. By using this database, we can manage payroll efficiently while minimizing error. Thank you for listening this presentation, and I hope I gave you a clear understanding of how the system works. Thank you po, ma'am.